Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to remove backup folder in Google Photos on computer. So how to remove backup folder in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many menu options here. Next, tap the plus icon. Now a scrolling menu like this will appear. There are many options here. Tap the backup folder menu. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the three-dot icon like this. Tap remove. Then tap remove folder. Now here you have finished deleting the backup folder in the Google Photos application on your computer. So that's it, the tutorial how to remove backup folder in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.